This is our HDMI switch and splitter production workshop. Shenzhen Magelei Electronic and Technology Company Limited was founded in 2012. Magelei is a manufacturer integrating R&D and production. Our main products include video, audio cables, adapters and converters such as HDMI, DP, USB, Type-C cables and adapters, USB hubs, Ethernet cables and AOC fiber optic HDMI cables, etc.
This is our testing section. Our testing standards are very strict.
Magelei is a high-technology enterprise and technology-oriented small and medium-sized enterprise certified by the state, and also a certified HDMI adapter. We've gained many design patents and utility patents. We've also obtained CE, FCC, RoHS, and other third-party certifications for many of our products. Magelei owns 2,500 square meters of workshops, 1,000 square meters of logistics warehouses, 15 R&D staffs, 15 sales staffs, 300 workers, over 10 production lines, over 60 injection molding equipment and 150 large production equipment. Our daily production capacity is up to 30,000 pieces, and the annual average exports value is about 8 million USD. Magelei is a SGS verified supplier and has 5 online shops on Alibaba. Our founder and technology teams are from Panasonic. Magelei has provided OEM and ODM services for many well-known brands. Our products have been exported to over 140 countries and regions, such as Europe, South and North America, Middle East, Japan and Korea. Our production bases are located in Shenzhen, Jiangsu, Hunan and Guizhou. Our sales and R&D teams are located in Wuhan. You are very welcome to visit our factory. We are looking forward to building long-term cooperation with you.